What you can expect from price drops and rises. What changes declared after the 55th GST Council meeting? Watch here. Some important recommendations were made during the 55th GST Council meeting presided over by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman at Jaisalmer, Rajasthan on December 21, 2024. The recommendations are meant to simplify the GST structures, reduce some taxes, and therefore give relief to people and industries. Here's a detailed breakdown of the outcomes. Key highlight from the GST Council meeting: reduction in GST rates. Fortified Rice Kernel GST reduced to 5% to make this essential nutritional product more affordable. Concessional GST on food inputs. The 5% GST rate on food inputs under HSN 19 or 21 for government programs benefiting economically weaker sections was extended. GST exemptions. Gene therapy, full exemption granted, making life-saving treatments more accessible. Motor Vehicle Accident Fund. Contributions by insurance companies to this fund are now exempt. IAEA equipment. Reports by the International Atomic Energy Agency's inspection teams are exempted under specific conditions. Streamlined compliance. A reduction in the pre-deposit required for appeals has been implemented. The amounts for filing appeals in penalty-only cases have been lowered to ease the financial strain on taxpayers. Clarification on penal charges by banks and NBFCs. Penal charges for non-compliance with loan terms are exempt from GST. Rate increases. Old and used vehicles. GST on sales, including EVs, increased from 12% to 18% for vehicles not under specific categories. Ready-to-eat popcorn. Pre-packaged popcorn attracts 12% GST, while non-pre-packaged popcorn attracts 5% GST. Other clarifications: autoclaved aerated concrete blocks. GST rate clarified as 12% for blocks with over 50% fly ash content. Agricultural goods. Supplies of pepper and raisins by agriculturists are exempt from GST. Pre-packaged goods definition updated to include retail commodities up to 25 kg per liter. What's cheaper? Fortified rice kernel, gene therapy treatment, contributions to motor vehicle accident fund. What's costlier? Old and used vehicles, including electric vehicles. Ready to eat pre-packaged popcorn. Impact on industries and consumers. Healthcare sector. Exemption on gene therapy will provide a significant boost to affordability and accessibility. Agriculture. Clarifications on GST exemptions for pepper and raisins benefit small agriculturists. Automobile industry. Increased GST on old and used vehicles might sales in the pre-owned vehicle market. Hospitality. Changes to the tax structure for accommodation services aligned with actual supply value, offering more transparency. The recommendations of the 55th Council meetings are step forward, balancing economic needs and consumer welfare. Whether these changes will ease taxpayer compliance and boost sectors like healthcare and agriculture remains a question worth exploring.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.